Once you have all the parts and tools necessary to complete the installation, you can begin the assembly of the solar pocket. You will begin by constructing the hooks that will hold your solar cover. Insert both the larger and shorter end tubes into either end of the U-shaped tube. Secure them with the stainless steel nuts and bolts provided. Place the rubber blue cap onto the end of the shortest tube to complete each hook. Now you are ready to install the solar pocket, but before you do, be sure to select the optimal location on your above-ground swimming pool. Typically, pool owners will choose the far end of the pool, opposite of a deck. Once you have selected a location, position a center bracket under the pool's top rail. Use your tape measure to center your bracket between the two vertical rails. After centering the bracket on the top rail, drill 2 holes using the 1/4-inch drill bit. Now secure the bracket with the bolts provided. For proper placement of the remaining hooks, please consider the size of your pool and cover. Install the remaining brackets the same way you installed your initial bracket. Lastly, secure each solar pocket hook to a bracket using the rest of the bolts and acorn nuts. Your solar pocket is now ready to hold your solar cover, keeping it off the ground, safe, and away from harm.